Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please comment, subscribe, please hit video a thumbs up. I'm going to explain how to determine the area of irregular shape building. As you can also use the process for a rectangular shape building or a square shape building. So I'm making use of AutoCAD for this very project. So I have to go to my command button and click on polyline. The reason why I'm making use of polyline is because polyline does not break. So as you click on a point, you can continue to click on other points. So that's where I'm going to make use of polyline. So I've already clicked on my polyline command. Then I'll have to pick that very point. That's the external boundary of my plot. So that's the other point. So I have to pick the 4 points of my building, external points of my building. So that's what I'm trying to do now. So this is the third point
on the edges.
This is the fourth point. So I have to go back to the first point so that it will be a closed shape. So where I clicked before, so I've clicked on it. So that's then enter. So I already have my polyline boundary on my plan. Now next thing is for me to move the polyline. So I'll click on the building, the external building, and move the polyline out of the plan. So this is the area line of this very plan. So that's what I've done. Next is for me to click on it, right click, and go to down to properties.
Click on properties.
So here is the properties. Then if you look through the properties there, you will see area. You will see area there, just below. I think it's below it. You see area there. Then the value that is across the area sentence, that's the value of the area here. That's what I'm touching now. So that's the area of that very polyline boundary, of that very boundary, that's of the plan. So the value that you got there, that is your area. So this is one of the methods that I use in getting the area of my of a building. So now, since I've already gotten the value, I have to make use of my calculator. So I'm going to use the calculator that I have in my phone. Then I'll place the value that I got from this area. That's the area here. I want to type in the area value into my calculator. So after typing the value, next thing for me to do is to divide by 1 million. You divide the whole value that you got there, then you divide it by 1 million. So the value that you get, that will now be your area. So I'm just typing in the value of my area on my calculator.
Majority of the money should go to
so that's what I'm doing now.
But some people they use NGO.
So that's what I'm doing on my calculator. So after getting the value, 257 714,999.996. So that's the area. So the next thing to do now is to divide by 1 million, because the settings of my AutoCAD is in millimeter. So I'm prefer to use millimeter. So what I'm doing now is to divide by 1 million. So that's what I'm using, dividing by 1 million. So most times setting of AutoCAD is actually in millimeter. So we divide by 1 million. So after dividing by 1 million, my value is now 257.714999. You just have to approximate that, approximate to the number of decimal places that you want it to be. That will be the value of the area of the building. So you can also use another method in getting your area. This very method, not just the calculation is not that much, you understand. So for this very one, so there's also another method I can use. I have to also explain. So for this very method, we are done with this very method. So then
or the length of this.
For the other method, what you do is you use the value of your length and breadth of your building,
So you multiply
length and the breadth of your building. That's one of the length, then one of the breadth. You multiply it. After multiplying it, you divide it by 1000 because it's so I'll have to multiply by length by my breadth. Length times breadth, the value you get from there, divide it by 1000. So that will be your area. So that's another method of getting the area of a plot. So that length times breadth method is only applicable when it is a regular shape building. So when it is an irregular shape building, you cannot use length multiplied by breadth. If you do it like that, you will get a very wrong value. Your area will not be correct. So it's always advisable to use the first method for that process. Thank you.